Myself Divyan Shukla from Ewing Christian College. We will know about the copyright something. What is copyright? Copyright is a legal concept that grants to the creator of an original work exclusive right to its use and the distribution. It serves to protect the intellectual property of creator by preventing others from using, copying, or distributing their work without permission. Copyright law in India. In India, copyright is governed by the Copyright Act 1957, which outlines the right of creator and the legal framework for the intellectual property protection. We will delve into the key aspect of this law and how it safeguards the right of creators. What type of work can be protected by the copyright? Copyright protects literary and the aesthetics works of the authorial creativity. It is authorship based right, but also protect entrepreneurial work such as broadcast, sound recording, film, and published edition of a literary, dramatic, and the musical work. The ambit of copyright protection extends to, but it is not limited to, works such as books, novel, movie, script, painting, photographs, melodies, sound recording, audio recording, moving image, source codes, and object codes. The Berne Convention. The Berne Convention for the protection of literary of artistic work, signed in 1886, is the oldest international copyright treaty. It protects the right of the author and their work and gives creator the ability to control how their works are used. Protection is given to works first published in India in respect of all countries that are member states to treaties and conventions to which India is a member. Thus, without formally applying for protection, copyright protection is available to work first published in India across several countries. Also, the Government of India has, by virtue of the International Copyright Order 1999, extend copyright protection to work first published outside India. Is intellectual. Start करें. Copyright and intellectual property. Copyright Act is a crucial part intellectual property right, IPR. Copyright law protect expression of ideas rather than the ideas themselves. Under Section 13 of the Copyright Act 1957, copyright protection is conferred on the literary work, dramatic work, musical work, aesthetic works, cinematography, film, and the sound recording, etc. Commencement of the copyright. Copyright protection is conferred on all original literary, artistic, musical, or dramatic, cinematography, and sound recording works. Original means that the work has not been copied from any other sources. Copyright protection commences the moment a work is created and registration is optional. Copyright as an exclusive right. Copyright refers to bundle of exclusive right visited in the owner of copyright by virtue of Section 14 of the Act. These rights can be exercised by the owner of the copyright or by any other person who is incensed in this regard by the owner of copyright. These rights include the right of the education, right of the reproduction, right of the publication, right of make translation, communication or public, etc.